Dear all, welcome to my channel Biology Notes. Today I will discuss about the B lymphocytes which play a crucial role in adaptive immunity. Contents of the video include general overview on adaptive immunity, general overview on lymphocytes, site of origin of B lymphocytes, structure and fate of B lymphocytes, and finally, functions of B lymphocytes. General overview on adaptive immunity. First, we must know what is adaptive immunity. Adaptive immunity is also known as acquired immunity. It is an immunity that occurs after exposure to an antigen, either from a pathogen or a vaccination. This part of the immune system is activated when the innate immune response is insufficient to control an infection. The lymphoid cells or lymphocytes are the central cells of the immune system responsible for adaptive immunity and the immunologic attributes of diversity, specificity, memory, and self non self recognition. So, in this video, I will discuss about the B lymphocytes in detail. General overview on lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are one of the five different types of leukocytes in blood. They are small, round or partially ovoid, slightly motile, and non phagocytic. They constitute 20 to 40% of the body's white blood cells and 99% of the cells in the lymph. There are approximately 10 to the power 11 lymphocytes in a healthy human body. These lymphocytes continually circulate in the blood and lymph and are capable of migrating into tissue spaces and lymphoid organs. The lymphocytes can be broadly subdivided into three populations: B cells, T cells, and natural killer cells on the basis of function and cell membrane components. So, our today's discussion is on B cells or B lymphocytes only. The letter B indicates the site of maturation of lymphocytes. In birds, these lymphocytes get maturation in the bursa of Fabricius, and in mammals, including humans and mice, these lymphocytes get maturation in bone marrow. This is a diagram showing the structure and fate of antigen activated B lymphocytes. B lymphocytes that have not interacted with the antigen are referred to as naive or unprimed lymphocytes. They are resting cells and reside in the G0 phase of the cell cycle. They are also known as small lymphocytes. Their diameter is only about 6 micrometer. These naive lymphocytes generally have a short lifespan. The structural details indicate that the cytoplasm forms a barely perceptible rim around the nucleus. Presence of densely packed chromatin, few mitochondria, poorly developed rough endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus. In the membrane, there are so many membrane bound immunoglobulin molecules. These immunoglobulin molecules serve as receptors for antigen. A single B cell can express approximately 1.5 into 10 to the power 5 molecules of antibody on the membrane. There are some other molecules expressed on the membrane of mature B cells, like B220, which is a form of CD45, CD40, CR1 or CD35, CR2 or CD21, class 2 MHC molecules, Fc gamma R2 or CD32, B71 or CD80, B72 or CD86, etc. Now, when a naive B cell first encounters the antigen that matches its membrane bound antibody, the B cell enters the cell cycle and enlarges into a lymphoblast. The diameter of lymphoblasts is about 15 micrometer. The lymphoblasts have a higher cytoplasm nucleus ratio and more organellar complexity than small lymphocytes. The lymphoblasts undergo several rounds of cell division and eventually generates memory cells and effector cells known as plasma cells. The memory B cells have a larger lifespan. They express membrane bound antibody receptors with the same antigen specificity as the original virgin B cell. They can be distinguished by the presence of cell surface marker CD27. They can express a range of immunoglobulin molecules like IgM, IgG, IgE, and rarely IgD. The plasma B cells contain abundant endoplasmic reticulum, many Golgi vesicles, etc. They do not express membrane bound antibodies. They live for a few days. There are few surface antigens like CD138, CD139, CD78 are present in the plasma B cells. Functions of membrane bound molecules. Mature B cells display membrane bound immunoglobulin molecules which serve as receptors for antigen. B220, a form of CD45, assists in signal transduction. Class 2 MHC molecules permit the B cell to function as an antigen presenting cell or APC. B71 or CD80 and B72 or CD86 are molecules that interact with CD28 and CTLA4, which are important regulatory molecules on the surface of different types of T cells, including helper T cells. CR1 or CD35 and CR2 or CD21 are receptors for certain complement products. Functions of memory B cells. Memory B cells repeatedly generate an accelerated and robust antibody mediated immune response in the case of reinfection, also known as a secondary immune response. Functions of plasma B cells. Plasma B cells secrete large quantities of antibodies in response to specific antigens. It has been estimated that a single plasma cell can secrete more than 2000 molecules of antibody per second. Secreted antibodies are the major effector molecules of humoral immunity. So this is all about the general discussion on B lymphocytes. If you have any query, please write in the comment section. Like and share the video. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new video. Keep watching. Stay with us. Thank you.